this channel, but apparently is the third one. Anyways, better late than never. Welcome to the unboxing and full review of the 50-inch Amazon basic tripod.
So this is how the box looked, light brown in color. The first thing which impressed me was that they had included this carrying bag with it. Taking it out of the bag, the minimum height of the tripod is 16.5 inch. And then with the help of the three legs, you can extend it up to 50 inches. The three-way head provides utmost versatility to change your angle or view from landscape to portrait or vice versa. With this you can also shoot a panoramic shot that provides 360 angle. The quick release plate with which you can change your cameras for achieving great cinematic shots depending on your creativity. With the help of this knob here, you can turn the head according to your consistency. With this handle, you can move your tripod head up and down, and with this one, you can rotate your camera at any angle. To achieve your shot. Talking about the build quality, it is fully made of aluminium, which makes it easy to carry, especially while you're traveling. The weight of the tripod is around 5.40 grams. Talking about the choice, it's good for using point and shoot cameras, your smartphones, but not DSLRs, especially with heavy lenses. So if you are thinking to buy a camera for a smartphone, then this is the best option out there. But if you are planning to buy a tripod for a DSLR, then there are other variants at a higher price range.